so I thought I'd do a quick little tutorial on how to mix resin correctly. My channel is here to help other resin creators, and I'm in a few online groups and noticed some people have problems with curing. And while that problem may very well be an environmental issue, like the temperature changing in the room during the curing process, but if you know that for a fact you mixed your resin correctly, then you can knock this off your list of being the potential problem. Alright, so to start off, your resin should say on the bottle its ratio. I'm usually using a 1-to-1 ratio. If it's somehow not on the bottle, check the brand's info online. 1-to-1 ratio means equal parts of both part A and B, meaning if I pour 200 milliliters of part A, I will need another 200 milliliters of part B for a total of 400 milliliters. I know you can probably just barely see the numbers, and no, my cup is not dirty. It's just well seasoned. It's definitely time for another one, so please just bear with me. Now here I am pouring 200 milliliters of part A. Let me bring you down the eye level so you can see me pouring 200 milliliters of part B. Now get your mixing stick, whether that's a popsicle stick, spatula, or a stick that came with the resin. You're going to mix until the resin is clear and there are no more streaks in the resin. I know there are rumors about the amount of minutes you should mix. That does not matter if you still have streaks in your resin. Depending on how thick your resin is, it may take longer than 2 to 3 minutes to completely mix, and that's perfectly okay. Make sure you're scraping the sides of your cups while you're mixing to ensure you're mixing literally everything. Also, notice how I'm mixing in complete circles and not picking up my stick like this so much. That helps produce bubbles. Picking up your stick while mixing allows for air to enter the resin each time you pick up your stick. Now let's speed this up so you can start pouring your clear resin. If you like this video so far, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. And there you have it, clear, streak-free resin that's ready to be poured. I really hope this video has helped you on your resin journey. Good luck!